What is up, guys? It is Nate with My Digger Off-Road, and we are just now dropping our 2023 Sema Top 15 truck lineup here. At the end, we're going to do a quick vote between me and the guys and determine our top 3 favorite custom builds at Sema in Las Vegas, Nevada this year. So just hang tight, guys. We're going to do a quick run through and hope y'all enjoy.
much as far as what we're looking for here, there's a couple big manufacturers that have dropped some big badass bolt-on kits, including Elevate and Poppies. However, that is not going to be what we're looking for. We're going to be looking for some fabricated one-off suspensions, drive lines, some custom 6-door conversions, that kind of a deal. So unfortunately, Poppies, you're going to get an honorable mention. You guys have really showed out this year, some really badass kits, and look forward to seeing what you guys are bringing to the market here in the future.
In at third place is going to be the white on white with some polished overlays, 5th gen from Fitzgerald Performance. This is a 6.7 Cummins with a G56 manual swap. Resurrected fab lift, coilovers in the front, remote reservoirs, does have a front drive shaft with full air ride on the rear, polished drive shaft. The cut work, fab work in general on this thing is just super clean. Coming in here at second place is going to be the RKB and lifted rippers. International Super Duty axle swap. It's got fabricated drag link, fabricated track bar, custom CNC cut front drive shaft. Just the thought and detail that went into the suspension of this thing is absolutely insane. That's a triangulated rear end, but it's got something a little bit different. It's got actually 2 bends in that upper rear forelink, which is absolutely sick. Overall, top favorite between me and my entire team here is this gray bump side Chevy. If you look closely, you can see that the entire frame is actually a custom CNC cut and built frame, drop cradle, drop box, true 4-link, triangulated in the rear, coilovers front and rear. This thing is absolutely just insane as far as the weld quality, cut quality, and the absolutely intricate details into this build. And that is it, guys. I appreciate you guys hanging around till the end. Hopefully you like the content that we brought to you guys here this morning. And as always, stay tuned. We're going to try to do some more builds and more videos like this. So feel free to like, subscribe, and let us know what you'd like to see in the comments. Appreciate it.